The first technique to creating homemade videos that looks like professional videos for the online consumers involve planning the production into detail. In many cases, quality and engaging videos never happen by accident. They are always created as a result of pre-production planning. Regardless of the event being recorded, the most important thing is to have a plan. It involves writing down or making a mental list of shots, scenes that should be included in the video. As an example, a person planning to create a video of a birthday party may include the following shots: decoration of the birthday cake, arrival of guests at the party, welcoming of the guests at the party, introduction and exchange of pleasantries among guests, presentation of the birthday cake, blowing of the candles, cutting of the cake, opening of presents, entertainment and dancing, as well as the departure of the guests. If the video is about an event as highlighted above, the agenda for the event can be used to prepare the list of shots. In simpler terms, it is important to know what is going to happen at the event so that it is easier to shoot the video. Without a proper planning of the event, shooting the video may be difficult and one may miss out on the most important scenes that viewers would expect of any event. If the video does not cover an event, it is still important to plan appropriate to take the right shots and arrange them in a chronological order that captivates the viewer's attention. Besides the planning of the shots at the event, planning goes beyond to include how the shots would be taken, software for editing the video, music, graphics, and exportation among other things. In general, the planning process is an important tip which involves the first step of creating the video until the last step of releasing it to the public through different online platforms. In general, the pre-production planning for a quality and engaging video involves creating the shot list, storyboard, prop list per scene, as well as the B-roll. The B-roll is the additional footage that makes the story come into life when being edited.